Hi guys, today we have arrived in Kuala Lumpur again and we are about to check into the Renaissance Hotel. Come and enjoy the hotel with me. This is the West Wing lobby for check-in. Now, let's take the lift up to the 20th floor for the room. So this is a Renaissance suite and this is in the corner of the West Wing, looking out towards the KL Tower. A very spacious suite indeed, basically the size of 2 rooms. 2 bathrooms, or a WC, with a full bathroom facility and lots of seating and lounging areas. Actually 2 day beds, one in the living area and one also in the bedroom. Standard coffee machine and water provided in all rooms, including the Renaissance suite, and as I mentioned previously to you, a 2-seater couch, 1 chair and a lovely day bed. Good spacious desk with lots of charging points and united or universal charging points. Leading off the main area is of course the bedroom, which has a very spacious king bed and a second day bed, as I mentioned. And then leading off the bedroom is your very spacious bathroom and walk-in robe. This will give you a quick view of the banquet and meeting facilities in the East Wing, and then we'll go downstairs and take a look around the pool and gazebo area. As far as I'm aware, this is still the largest outdoor swimming pool in KL. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please stay tuned for the next installment.